Hello viewer, I have that image for editing, so let's change the image into an art by using the filters. So there we have the background as a tool. We will erase that background. So that it is, again we will use the different features. There we will create the pattern. It's a different pattern, we will use that pattern style. So we have the option for the history brush tool to get back our real image where we have started editing.